Hey beauty fan, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. So we're gonna jump right into this video. Grab your materials and let's make a wig. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna want to double all of your wefts. I will link where I got the hair from and everything, all the lengths, down in the description box. So right here I'm just gonna double all of my wefts so my wig can be nice and full. If you want a more in-depth video on how to use this brother sewing machine, let me know down in the comments. You always want to make sure that you backstitch before and after you're done sewing. This is how your bundle should look when you're done. Get you a dome head, a dome head, and pin your cap down. Today I'm going to be using a size 22. Then take your closure and bring the hairline down a little bit past the cap and secure it with T-pins. Okay, try to lay your closure down as flat as you can. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with, you can use chalk or you can use a Sharpie, and I'm just gonna make my guidelines on my dome cap. This is what you're going to follow when sewing your wefts on the sewing machine. So if you do your lines too close together, your wig will be too small, and we don't want that. These are how my lines are looking. Now I'm going to take the closure back off and I'm going to begin to sew it. You're going to want to start with your longer lengths and work your way up. Right here, I'm going in and cutting all the excess thread off to give it a neat finish. Okay, now that we have all the tracks sewed down, the only part we're going to hand sew is going to be the closure piece. Okay, this part, when sewing down the lace, don't sew all the way through the dome cap. If you do that, that will cause your cap to be tight. So I'm only grabbing just a little bit of the cap in the lace while sewing. Once the closure is sewn down, I'm going to take it back to the sewing machine and I'm going to just put some more tracks to cover up those gaps. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Let's try to get this video to at least 500 likes, guys. And don't forget to share and like this video if you found it helpful. And I just want to say thanks to my subscribers that's been with me since day one. I really do appreciate the support, and there will be more videos to come.